Today I'm going to do a video on changing the taillights in a 2015 to 2020 GM. This is going to be the same for Tahoes, Denali's, Suburbans, any of the Yukon series. There's a couple of videos on YouTube, but they are way too long and make it look way too hard. So we're going to make this one super easy. Get some kind of pry tool like this, or you can also just use your hands, and we want to take out this plastic piece right here. There are a few spring clip retainers back behind it. There are, I think, 3 if I remember. You don't have to have a tool like this, but it just makes things a little bit easier. And you want to just pull this whole thing out like that. So there we go, that's out. That little guy will stay in there for now. Next up, you're going to need a T15 Torx. There's just 2 screws that we have to remove, one here and one on the bottom. Okay, pull straight back. There are 2 little retainers here on the right side. They look just like this. They look like they're supposed to have a nut on them, but they're not. They just go into 2 little keepers right here. So the bulb that we're going to replace is the turn signal bulb, which is this one down here. I'm just going to turn counterclockwise, pull out the bulb. This is going to be a 7440. I'll put a link in the description so you can order them if you can't find them local. Put that guy back in there. And that is it. So that's all you have to do to change these things. It's incredibly easy. We're going to line up our 2 little holes here on the right. Let me move the camera so you can see that. So we have these little studs here that go into the little keepers. It's going to be important to line those up first. Just give it a few good taps. And we'll put our T15s back in place. And finally, our little dust cover here. Alright, so that is all there is to it. If you want to actually get in there and pull that little rubber ring around this dust cover, you can, but it really doesn't make a difference. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching.